Welcome back. While we haven't even started working on the actual business side of things yet, I purposely put this video in the first module of the course, as I think it's better to sort out your business registration before starting on Amazon, as you'll actually need this info when you register for your Amazon seller account. I won't bore you with long and difficult explanations of various business forms here. I'm sure you'd find that incredibly tedious. Instead, I will give some quick guidance on what you need to do and what form you need to complete in order to register as a seller on Amazon. I believe that the advice given here will apply to 99% of situations and Amazon Shark's customers. So, let's get started. Important disclaimer. I'm not a professional accountant or tax advisor, so advice given in this video is only my personal recommendation. If your situation is unique, you should seek professional help, or at least consult with HMRC before your business registration. This applies to people who are on pensions, special benefits, unemployment benefits, and similar. Okay, going back to our topic. Can't you sell on Amazon without registering some sort of business? No, you can't. Amazon is very strict on this, and as you'll find out in the Amazon account video, this is not the time to play games, use fake identities, or made-up companies. Amazon will verify every seller, and only legit, verified businesses will be allowed to sell on their platform. But what business do you need to register, and what form do you need to complete? That will depend on your current situation. For people who don't have any companies registered yet, I recommend registering and working as a sole trader on Amazon, at least in the beginning. For people who are already registered as a sole trader, great! You don't have to do anything extra, and will be able to sell on Amazon with your current business form. For people who have a limited liability company already registered, you can use the same company details, of course, for your Amazon account, or create a new limited company for your Amazon business, if it's going to be separate. Most of you will be employed, so you'll need to register as a sole trader with HMRC. This is a free process and can be done completely online. You find the right application form on HMRC's website, fill it out, and within a few weeks' time, you'll get sent the Unique Tax Registration (UTR) number, and you're good to go. As a sole trader, you'll need to complete your yearly tax returns, something I will talk more about in the accounting video lesson. One downside of being registered as a sole trader is that your personal name will be published on your seller feedback page on Amazon. Even though you can register a trading as business name with HMRC, your legal operating name will still be your actual name when you're selling as a sole trader, so you can't really hide it. But I don't think this is really a big problem. Very few people actually check that seller feedback page on Amazon, and even if they do, I don't think this fact will affect their buying decision in any way, even if they do notice that you're a sole trader and not a company. As a sole trader, you can still do everything else just like a limited company, such as have trademarks registered, apply for Amazon's brand registry, and use other such seller features. There's one situation, though, when registering as a sole trader may not be the best idea. If your earnings from your current job are already partially taxed at the higher tax bracket, 40%, as this would mean that all profit you make from your Amazon business activities will be taxed at 40% too, which is obviously far too much compared to the normal tax rate of 20%, or the corporate tax rate, which is also 20%. So if you're making a good salary from your day job and already get taxed partially at 40%, you'll want to register a limited liability company from day one. Ideally, everyone should start with a limited liability company, as it separates your personal assets completely from the business. But the problem with limited companies is that they come with more complex paperwork for registration and yearly tax returns. You can do it on your own if you really want to, but do you need to? You don't yet know how your business will take off, how fast you'll make progress, etc. I don't think it's a wise move to set up a limited company at this stage. You can always do that later on. And it could be that you can work as a sole trader for many years to come and don't even upgrade to a limited company at all. This will of course depend on how much profit you make, how fast your business grows, etc. But basically, as long as you keep below the 40% tax threshold, you can work as a sole trader and keep that basic account and do just one yearly tax return. For people outside the UK, you'll need to check what business forms are available in your country, but usually it will be the same, at least in European Union countries. You can either register as a sole trader or limited company. Both will be okay and work with Amazon. Just make sure you have one to begin with. That's it for this video. I did say that I'll keep it short and sweet. I'll see you in the next video lesson.